This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Oh no, I'm late! Faster, Sammy! Huh? Someone crying? What are you doing here?
I don't know. I can't remember anything.
That's bad. Let me help. I'll move this off.
Yay! Thank you.
Now you can go home. Do you know the way?
No, I don't remember where my home is.
Don't worry. Come with me. We'll figure out who you are and where your home is. Sue, I'm home. And I'm not alone. We have a guest. And you, don't worry.
Sam, why are you back so early? And who's this with you?
I found this doll, but there's a problem. She's lost her memory.
Hello. I'm so sorry for popping in like this. What happened to you, sweetie?
That's what we need to find out. I even made 100 questions to help her remember.
Forget the questions for now. First, let's fix her up. Get me scissors.
Get you lizards? What did you say, Sue?
Holy cannoli, what's that?
Ah!
Don't worry, that's just one of Sammy's silly jokes. Sammy, I said scissors, not lizards.
Okay. Here, these are the best scissors I could find.
Finally! Thank you! Now, we'll give our new friend's hair a nice little trim.
That looks fun. Maybe I should try a new look too. How about a bob? Ooh, this one is perfect.
Oh yes, that last one really suits your style. Wait, you look just like the guy in my locket.
This can help us with your memory loss. Ugh, why can't I open it? I know, I need to use some instruments. Open up, come on. Maybe this will do it. Ugh. I guess not today.
Hold on! What's that?
Wait, I've got an idea. The seashell is the key. Easy.
Time to make your hair smooth and silky. Sammy, bring me the shampoo.
Here you go, Sue. And I found something big inside this locket.
Good job. Oh, with Northern Star extract? Perfect.
Please, Sue, listen. Look at this locket. She's a real princess. Can you imagine?
Me? A princess? That can't be true.
Wait, why didn't the king and queen look for her?
I agree. This is a bit weird to me.
Maybe they thought pirates took you, or that you turned into a jellyfish. Or maybe they're still searching.
Then you, Sammy, must find it out.
This is a very serious case. We need extra help.
Finally. Took you long enough, Sammy. I'm ready to help. So, where do you need me?
Hi, little duck. Aw, so cute.
What are these scribbles?
Whoopsie! There you go.
Got it. One little wing here, another little wing there.
Excuse me, Detective Sam. Can you help me?
If it's about saving the princess, then of course.
It is about saving the world. I mean, they say that beauty will save it. I can already see that royal glow on your skin.
Princess? Is that you? I barely recognize you now.
Thank you, Sam. You're making me all blush.
Hey, where is the ducky? Feels like I've been waiting forever. Wait, stop. I was waiting for my ducky here.
Sorry, Sammy, but we have to rinse the balm.
Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. By the way, I found them. I did it.
Ducky, you really shouldn't have scared us like that.
But look, Princess, I found your parents. Here.
Ducky, come on. That's not even close. Try again.
Oops.
Wait, don't throw it away. They're a treasure.
Treasure? What can you do with them? Drink juice?
Watch and learn, Sammy. These straws are about to turn into a beautiful craft magic.
Ooh, curls, I could use some. Here, do I look good already, Sue?
Hey!
Sammy, you're one of a kind. And this is exactly the curler we were missing.
Let's take the measurements so the outfit fits perfectly. It will be 20 centimeters here and another 15 there. Got it.
Yes. Make sure to measure the height precisely, too.
Wait, what are you doing? Ugh! Sue, I'm stuck. Ah! Ugh.
Oh, Sammy, you're always getting into trouble in adventures.
I do. Hey, what is that? Diamond dust. This trail will lead me to the princess's family. I'll figure it out now.
Sammy, please be careful. In the meantime, we will work on clothes and make you a new outfit.
The trail ends here, but I can't see anything. Oh no, I took the wrong trail. Bad detective, Sam.
Nonsense! You are a super detective. Can you help me find some tape?
You bet. I will be back in no time. Let me see. Uh-huh.
Whoa! Be a bit more careful when searching, okay?
Mission accomplished. The tape's been found.
Thanks, Sammy. Now let's clean you up from all this sticky tape.
Ouch! Susan, be gentle.
Beauty needs sacrifices, you know. Almost done with your outfit now.
Really? Let me see. Alrighty. Oh, are you sure this is the look? I need some fashion help here.
Oh, I know exactly what could help. Here it is. This will save your look, princess.
Seafoam blue? My favorite.
Wait, let me try. Sue, you will definitely win the golden dress prize for this masterpiece. So, keep it up.
Perfect! We have the prize. Now the main mission remains, finding the princess's parents.
Exactly. Princess, can you draw the last thing you remember before you went missing?
Right. This would really help us.
This is the last thing I remember. Thanks for the shoes, by the way.
Stones? Don't know how it will help, but maybe some magic will happen.
Guys, we have a new problem. All the decorations are gone. We have nothing to decorate the dress with.
How about that diamond dust I found earlier today?
Great idea. Sammy, you're our hero. Let me add one more detail.
Now where should I find a big pile of stones? Ah, here it is. Looks just like in the princess's drawing. Let's start searching. I've got something. Oh, I need to get back home as fast as possible.
Oh, where is Sammy? What's taking him so long? I'm starting to worry about him, you know?
Don't worry, Susie. Knowing Sammy, he must have a backup plan.
All done. Here, have a look.
Wow, my curls are truly royal. Thanks.
I'm back. Look what I found. The princess's parents have been looking for her all this time.
Yay! I have a family. I'm so happy.
And there's a phone number on the back.
Already dialing. What do I say, Your Royal Highness?
No, Sue. Let's finish giving our princess a royal look before she meets her family. It's important. And look, I found a sparkly styler so she can shine.
Okay. Wow, it's sparkling so beautifully.
And the final touch, don't forget the family necklace. Now, a round of applause. Here comes the future queen of the underwater ball.
Bravo! Oh, doesn't she look stunning?
Hurry! They are here!
Where is she? Where is our daughter?
Mommy, Daddy, oh, I missed you so much.
We searched for you for so long. We're so happy we found you.
Thanks to the courage of my new friends, Sam and Sue.
Oh, it's nothing.
Brave slime, from now on I declare you a knight.
A knight? Me? Yay!
And you, dear Sue, earn the title of lady.
Wow, Lady Sue, sounds wonderful.
Thank you again, friends. Hope to see you again.
What a perfect ending to our story, right, Sue?
I agree, Sir Sam, but you can't miss another school day.
School is a true adventure, even for knights. Oh, guys, thanks for being with us today. Subscribe to our channel and see you soon. Don't miss our new adventure.
What? The Queen? Coming here? To this hospital? Today? Wow, that is special.
Yes, so everything needs to be absolutely perfect.
Well, you can rely on me to get everything here ship-shape and looking nice and tidy just for you, Mrs.
Sister.
You can rely on me to get everything right, Mrs. Sister.
Right, well, I'd like you to go and check on all the patients on the ward, please. Now, Sid.
Ward full of patients.
That way.
Yes, that way. Thank you. Hello.
Oh, hello.
Hello, how are you?
Not very well. That's why I'm here.
Of course.
Oh, you have no idea.
Don't I?
Oh, I've had everything I have. Dodgy leg, dicky elbow, wobbly arm, you name it, I've had it. See this? This cheek is a modern medical miracle. Kept going red. Doctors put some cream on it. Next day, good as new.
Doctors are amazing, aren't they? So what's wrong with you now?
This body has seen it all. Oof. Last year, I had a terrible, nasty pain in my foot. Doctors knew what it was straight away.
What was it?
Stone in my shoe.
Oh, so what's wrong with you now?
Well, how should I know? You're the doctor.
Actually, I'm a nurse.
Oh, well, what's wrong with me then, nurse?
I don't know. How can I tell? Oh, hold on. I remember you. When in a hospital, a nurse can work out what treatment a patient is having by checking the chart on their bed. Excuse me, sir. It says here the patient has a sore knee. NBM. Nil by mouth. That means the patient is having an operation and they can't eat anything today. Wait, stop!
Eh, what?
Put down the grape.
What, do you want some? You only have to ask.
No, it says you're having an operation today and you mustn't have anything to eat.
You don't want to believe any of that stuff. It's only a grape.
Yes, I do. No grapes for you today, I'm afraid.
Oh, that's a pity. I really fancy that grape.
You can have as many as you like after your operation.
If you say so, nurse. Oh, well. See you later. I'll tell you all about my dicky tummy later.
Oh, look forward to that, sir.
Nurse? Excuse me? I wonder if you could help. My football team played a very important cup game yesterday, and I need to find out if they won.
Oh, sorry, I don't know, I'm afraid, but I can find out for you.
Wait.
Yes?
There's a report in the paper, but I can't reach it.
Oh, I see. Don't worry, I'll take a look for you.
That's it. That's it.
Sister, excuse me. I'll be back in a minute.
It's, right. Everyone must remain calm. I'm calm. Are you calm?
Yes.
Good, good. The Queen is on the way to the ward.
Right.
Is everything perfect?
Yes, I think so.
Good. You need to go to the patient in room 7. She needs some help.
Right. Hello.
Oh, nurse.
Hello, how can I help you?
I'm having a baby.
What, now?
No, not right at this very moment, but pretty soon.
Oh, best of luck to you. I'm going to meet the Queen.
Oh, but nurse, would you be 11 and pick up my pillow? I seem to have dropped it.
Of course I can. It's normally the midwives who look after the expectant mothers, but I'm sure I can do this. Oh, what's that beeping? That's very noisy. The Queen won't like that. And you're pregnant. You need to be in a nice, quiet room so you can rest. Let me get you away from this noisy room.
Don't.
There's far too much noise here. I'll just move the bed. It's okay. I'm a nurse.
It's the baby.
Eh?
The baby. The machine is listening to the baby's heartbeat, and it's beeping to let us know that everything is all right. Look.
Oh, silly me.
Have you been a nurse very long?
Well, it's my first day.
That'll explain it then.
I'll leave the bed.
Yes, please.
Now the baby's making a noise like a doorbell. Hello? Baby?
I think the noise is coming from outside.
Oh, yes, that is the doorbell. It could be the Queen. See you later.
Say hello from me.
Right, how do I look? Okay. Hello, Your Majesty. It is a great honour to receive you here at this hospital. Oh, Your Majesty, I am honoured. It's so lovely to see you.
That's
We're
it.
all very humble to have you visit us here at this hospital.
That's
I can't
it.
tell you how much we really appreciate. Oh, you're not the Queen?
No, I'm not. She's come and gone.
I've missed her.
I'm afraid so.
Oh, well.
Look, I need to go into a meeting, so I'm leaving you in charge.
Oh, okay. Well, it's bad to work then. There's that ringing noise again. But it's not someone at the door, so I wonder what it is. Oh, hold on. I remembered you. When a patient needs to call a nurse, they ring a bell at the side of their bed. I better go and find out who that is. Hello? Did you ring the bell?
Not exactly. But I would like to know the results of the football match.
Oh, yes, of course. Now, let's see. Football. Ah, here it is.
Yes.
Oh, no, that bell. I've really got to...
Oh.
Hello, you called?
Yes, my bandages come loose. Could you tie it up again?
Of course. How did it come loose?
Well, I was trying to reach for my chocolates, and it caught on the side of the bed.
Oh, there you are. Don't worry, I'll have it tied up in no time.
Would you like a chocolate, nurse?
Oh, what have you got?
Lots of different ones. Noisette, nougat, praline.
What exactly is praline?
I've no idea, but would you like one?
Oh, no, not for me, not while I'm on duty. There, done. I better get back to my other patients.
Thank you, nurse, thank you. Nurse? Nurse! You've tagged me to the drawer! Oh,
Sorry about that.
That's all right. You must be very busy.
Yes, I can tell you the results of the football now. Let's see now. Football results.
Help! Help!
What? What's that?
But have they won?
What are you doing?
You tagged me to the drawer!
Oh, did I? Oh, I am so sorry. I was distracted by the chocolates. I haven't been doing this job very long. Maybe I need a little bit more practice. Don't worry, we'll tie you back into the bandage. There, good as new.
Thank you, nurse. I didn't want to carry that drawer around everywhere. Are you sure you don't want a chucky?
Oh, not for me, thanks. I've got another patient who needs my help.
I feel funny.
All right, then. I've got time for one quick joke.
Not that kind of funny. Wobbly funny.
Oh, right. Oh, well, maybe you should sit down here. There you go. What happened?
Oh, well, I got up and suddenly I felt a bit dizzy. Oh, I don't think I'm well.
Oh, you do sound very sick. But how can I tell? Hold on. I remember. Do you? If you want to see if someone is unwell, you can use a thermometer to check their temperature to see if they're too hot. There you are, sir.
What's that?
Oh, it's an ear thermometer. I need to check your temperature. Just stay very still for me. Oh, yes, that's very high. I better tell the sister. Wait right there.
Oh, thanks, doctor. You're a nurse.
Oh, duty calls. I've got to check on another patient. Back in a minute.
Nurse.
You rang?
Yes, could you possibly turn the radio on for me? I don't seem to be able to reach.
Of course. I must be one of these buttons down here. Oh, I'll try this one.
Oh, my leg's going up.
Oh, I'll try this one. Oh, no, yeah, oh, dear. Which one is it? Oh, no, help, sister.
Help! Help!
Sister. Oh, sister, woman, leg.
What's going on?
It's all gone wrong. I tied a woman to her drawer, and then there's a man with a temperature, and I was checking the football scores, and then the other one called, and now her leg's up in the air. Oh!
Okay, nurses, calm down. I'll deal with the lady with the leg and the man with the temperature. You deal with the other lady.
Oh, thank you, sister. I love you. I love you.
Off you go, off you go. Dearie me, whatever next?
Let's play.
So then I ran into the nurse, and she told me she'd sort the whole thing out, and that's when I came back to see you.
Sounds like you've had quite a busy day, but I was wondering whether you'd mind if...
Oh, of course. You want to know if your team won the game?
Yes, please.
They did. 4-0.
Yes, yes, yes!
High five. Oh, maybe not.
I feel better already. Thanks, nurses.
No problem. One happy patient.
Let's play.
Nurse, sit.
Oh, sister, I helped the lady with the newspaper.
And I helped the lady with the leg. She's absolutely fine. And I gave medicine to the man with the high temperature. He says thank you.
What's that you got there, your lunch?
No, Sid, it's a baby.
You've had a baby?
No, not me. The lady in the side ward. It's her baby.
Oh, it's lovely.
Well, thank you for today.
Oh, yeah, well, my pleasure. It's a shame we never got to meet the Queen, though.
Well, if I see her again, I'll tell you called. Oh, who's this now? Ah, someone needs help in room 4. I wonder, Sid, would you mind?
It'll be my pleasure. How may I help you? You're...
Majesty?
No, you're the Queen. I mean, yes, of course. Your Majesty.
Kneel.
No, I'm Sid.
No, kneel down.
Oh, right. OK. Perhaps he's going to make me a knight.
Thank you. Now you can see my ankle properly. I think I've sprained it.
Oh, yes. What happened?
Someone was giving me flowers. I reached over, leaned too far, and ended up right in the middle of the crowd.
It just needs strapping up and resting.
Strapping up and resting. Off you go, then.
Well, I'm going to need to put this bandage on, so could you lift your leg, please?
Sorry, no.
But I need to raise her foot up so I can put this bandage on. What am I going to do? Hold on. I know what I can use. Do you? Yes, that's what this is for. I knew it would come in handy. There we are.
Oh. Very good. Oh, thank you. That's better.
Make sure you give it plenty of rest, Your Majesty.
I will, nurse. What's that noise? Sounds like a baby.
Oh, yes. One of our patients has just had a little baby girl.
May I see?
Of course you can, Your Majesty.
Thank you.
Oh, no problem, Your Majesty. It's a great honour to have met you. Thank you, Your Majesty.
Charmed, I'm sure.
Yes. Oh, yes. Very good, yes.
Mind where you're going, Sid.
Oh, sorry, sister. Here's the baby back.
Oh, the mother was very excited the Queen got to meet her baby. Guess what she's decided to call it?
Sid.
No, Queenie.
Oh, how lovely. Well, we did it, but we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. Nurses can find out what treatment a patient is having by looking at a chart on the end of their bed. If a patient needs a nurse, they can ring a bell to call one. And one way to tell if someone is unwell is by taking their temperature and seeing if they are too hot. Well, it's time I went home. Bye-bye, sister. Bye-bye, Queenie.
Goodbye, nurse Sid.
Oh, no, not you, Your Majesty. I was talking to... yeah, bye-bye, Your Majesty. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Queenie.
Goodbye, Sid.